Datadog versus Sentry 2025. Which monitoring tool is better? Monitoring your applications in 2025 is essential, but should you use Datadog or Sentry? Most people get this wrong by thinking they do the same thing. They don't. Datadog is an all-in-one monitoring platform for infrastructure, applications and logs. You won't believe what happens next. It provides real-time metrics, dashboards and AI-based anomaly detection for complex environments. Sentry focuses on application error tracking and performance monitoring. Unlike Datadog, it's developer-centric, giving detailed stack traces, release tracking, and contextual insights to fix bugs faster. Pricing differs. Datadog charges per host and feature tiers, while Sentry uses event-based pricing with free and paid tiers. Integration-wise, both support multiple languages and frameworks, but Datadog is broader and Sentry is deeper for code-level monitoring. So which is better? For full-stack monitoring and infrastructure insights, Datadog is ideal. For application-level error tracking and debugging, Sentry is smarter. The surprising truth is that many teams benefit from using both Datadog for performance metrics and Sentry for error resolution.